the most important thing is to think about why you are applying. So to really know the purpose of that fellowship, and what do you want to? How does that help you when you are developing your career?
I think one of the main things to consider when thinking about whether to apply is a research topic that you're interested in, because you sort of, you're on a bit of a solo journey when you're on your pre-doctoral fellowships. So it has to be something that's going to keep you really interested and motivated for the time that you're on it.
Well, once you know that you definitely want to go for a fellowship and you have an idea on what that can do to your career, it's really important that you put the time you need in finding the right kinds of supervisors and mentors. For some people, that happens quickly and sort of naturally, but for some people, it can take a while to sort of go around to different conferences and places and have conversations with people, because you do want to ensure that you are with people for that quite long time during a fellowship, that you are with people who are both approachable and inspirational to be with.
I think secondly, when thinking about applying, you need to think about your support network as well. And that's sort of your academic supervisors, your practice-based career mentors, because they're going to be the ones supporting you mainly on this journey. And it's really important to start thinking about who's best placed to do that as early as possible and having those conversations about what your plans are. And then as the fellowship continues, building that support network up by making more contacts with other people that can support you on your journey.
Well, I think on a final point, it's important to acknowledge that you will be entering a new world when you start to apply for a fellowship, and the application in itself is a quite profound learning process. So there will be a lot of new systems to navigate, and then a lot of time management needs and so on. So you need to sort of to be strategic and quite curious about what's happening around you when you start putting the application together, so that you have all of the key teams and approvals and all of that involved.
And I think the final thing that's important to consider when applying is really thinking about your own development needs, your individual development needs, because it's not one size fits all with a fellowship. You need to really think about what your academic background is, your career experiences, and how the fellowship can best develop you from the point that you're on. So choose like a really bespoke training and development plan that's best for you.